Good morning, fam. Itutulog pa sila, si Nuna at saka si yung tulog na tulog pa. Ako'y lalabas at magkakape. Maganda yung view dito sa Maayo San Remigio Resort. Kaya dito muna ako magtatambay at magkakape muna. Ayun, nakaligo na si Nuna. Fresh na fresh. So, ayan pala yung nirerentahan naming room. Isa siyang villa, Barkadahan Villa. If I'm not mistaken, this one, it costs like 6,000 plus. It's good for 5 people. Barkada Villa room. Mag-check out na kami today. So, bago kami uuwi, lilibutin muna natin yung resort. So, dito ano kaya ang meron dyan? Tingnan natin. Baka yan siguro yung yung function spaces nila. Mga function rooms. Kasi may nakalagay sa signages, yung sign merong function spaces. Let's check. Oh, yan na nga yung function spaces nila. Doon din yung reception area. And then dyan makikita yun yung ang parking space nila, parking lot. And then tara, puntahan natin kung anong meron doon. Napaka-peaceful dito at saka napakalinis. Apatumbok is there. So, kasama niya si Yung nauna pa silang nagbanding dyan. Kasama ko din si Minon kasi late na kasi nagising. Tas ako kanina nagkape. So, dito na kami ngayon. So, it's like a waiting lounge here. Sa taas yung reception area. So, parang pahingahan lang dito din sa baba. Mamaya itutour ko kayo doon sa may swimming pool area. Ang ganda, 'di ba? Spacious pa. Maganda dito pang pamilya, pang barkada. Kailan kaya ulit kami makakabalik dito? Basta yung mga nabayaran namin sa 2 rooms, yung quadruple at saka Barkadahan na villa, nasa 15,000 plus, included na yung yung taxes. So tara, puntahan natin yung sa may swimming pool area nila. So guys, dyan kami naligo kahapon. Ayan, yung kiddie pool. And then doon din yung mas malalim na. And then dito yung sa reception area sa taas. Then tara, balikan natin sila tumbok dan sa baba. Nag-i-enjoy yung mga bata sa swing. Kay ganda nga naman. Si Tumbok din, oh. Habang inihintay namin yung mga Korean guests namin, so, dito muna kami mag-standby. Kasi maya-maya, mag-check out na din kami. Hindi na namin paabutin pa ng 11 o'clock sa check-out time kasi di kami nag-breakfast. Ayan. Maghanap kami sa labas kung saan kami pwede mag-lunch. What's that, Yang?
Flower.
What are you going to do with that?
Flower for you.
Oh, thank you. So sweet of you. Wow, who ate this?
I think Daddy and Samson.
Wow. Hi, we're checking out now. Get ready. Check everything if nothing left.
Daddy already got everything except yours clothes.
Oh, really? Okay, did you check? How about our chargers?
It's in my bag.
Everything, including mine?
Yeah, Daddy already got it. Yours clothes are there. That's the last thing.
Check in the bathroom.
We already got everything. Yours clothes though.
Yeah, he needs to kuan.
Bring it.
Take a shower. He went to the beach again.
I thought we were leaving.
Yeah, checking out now. Thank you so much, Maayo. Maayo experience here at Maayo San Remigio Resort. Bye.
I go with you.
Okay, go. Let's go. Let's just walk. We'll just return the keys here. We'll check out the rooms.
Biting me.
Apa, power bank charger Odisa. Pronsit isa? Power bank same? I charge. I was power bank. Okay. Okay. Everything is in there? Okay, nothing left. Kacha.
Something was like touching me. Something hit like there's
Basing ganina aya. Okay, get
this
isa.
is so spiky.
Spiky.
It stick to you.
Oh, wala na. You get this na. Morning. Check out nami. One night lang. Yeah, lapu-lapu only. Yeah, Mactan.
Hindi mo balik-balik yung puhon mo.
Puhon. Ay, nakari rami. Kay amo gisuroy ito mo bisita. Kay eskwela mga bata. Ugma. Biyaan na tong daddy. Hala ka. Sige, B. Ako kuhaon, B. I'll get it for you.
I already get it.
Okay, let's go. Daddy's right there.
Mommy, just look at the spiky things that I found.
Let's return the keys. Tarawa.
Mommy,
Oh.
this spiky thing.
Throw it away.
I throw it away.
Thank you, Maayo experience here at Maayo San Remigio Resort. Thank you so much for the good experience.
That's the fountain. After this, can we buy some?
Wait, sige na, I'll return the keys to the receptionist, to front desk. Checking out is real. We're going to check out. Or we're checking out. Yeah, we're checking out na. 안녕하세요. So, nauna na yung mga bisita at saka yung family ko sa sasakyan. Kasi ako, naghihintay pa ako ng go signal kasi nag-check pa sila sa rooms kung saan kami nagstay, kung wala na bang mga problema, kung okay na ba for check-out. Ayan. So, dito muna ako, tingin-tingin ko nung meron dito. May binibenta silang mga bags. Oh, ang ganda. Boy, where did you get that one? From?
There was a sock there.
Saso?
Sock. I told you the sock.
Later. 얼마 샀어?
220.
Hala, 220 peso. Nakatulog na si Yong-oh. So ngayon, maghahanap kami ng Korean restaurant. Magla-lunch. Pearl Restaurant here in Bogo Municipality. Dito kami magla-lunch, guys. Sila ay nag-open ng 10 o'clock in the morning and they will close at 9 o'clock in the evening. Thank you, thank you.
맛있게 먹어.
Put some. Let's order food first. Order. Nako, mga batang ito nag-ice cream. Hindi pa nagla-lunch. Nag-ice cream muna sila. In fairness, masarap yung strawberry ice cream na yan. Ice cream.
돈가스. 미니는 돈가스. 그리고 원 돈가스, 원 김치찌개. 아주 이것만
어려운 사람 도와준다고.
A few moments later.
Have you tried the famous bibingkahan here in Katmon? So, hindi namin nakalimutan mag-drop by dito. Bumili kami ng mga ilang pieces na bibingka. 2 packs for 100 pesos only bago kami magpunta or mag-drop by sa Carmen tourist area.
코코넛 주스?
Andito na naman kami sa tourist area ng Carmen. So hanggang dito na lang yung bidyong ito. Maraming salamat sa panonood.